Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to Gaming for Life. This is my big boy TSR 250, like we call it here in South Africa, Cape Town, or a Hawk 250 like you guys know it like there in America. It's a Hawk 250. We're just going to talk about some mods we've done to the bike. So as you can see, the first thing I did is I changed my tires. These are a pair of on-road tires, and this is a semi on off-road tire, but it's not as knobby or as rough as the knobbies that you get with the bike. So that's the first thing I did on this bike, was tires. The other thing is, I'm not sure about you guys, but carburetor. This one came with a PZ30 carburetor, 30mm, and I'm running a cone filter because I went from a 106 to 112 main jet. The bike was running a little bit lean, so I put in a bigger main jet. I changed it to a cone filter. It's more responsive. I'm actually getting a little bit more top speed as well. And the other thing I did was, so basically when you get your bike here by us in South Africa, I don't know if it's the same there in America, you'll have a 15-tooth drive sprocket and a 50-tooth rear sprocket. So what I did was I put in a 17-tooth drive sprocket, the one that goes on the engine side, and then here at the back, now I'm running a 45-tooth. So what this actually does is it gives you more of a top speed, and it brings your RPMs lower. So with any gear you're in, basically you'll have less strain on your engine because your RPMs will be way lower, and when you open it up you get way more top speed because your gears will be a bit longer. And another thing, everybody is asking me, like, what oil are you running? I just want to actually show you guys here. So currently I've done, let me just check here, 16,609 kilometers with no issues, no clutch replacement, nothing. And the way I achieved that was with a good 20W50, good quality 20W50 oil. The reason I'm going with the 20W50 is because it's way thicker than, like I say, I tried 15W40, I've tried numerous oils. 20W50, because it's an air-cooled engine, that's the best oil for me. It makes the gearbox nice and smooth, and everything just works very nice with this. I can show you guys the oil I'm using, and yeah, this is the oil I'm currently running in my bike. It's a nice 20W50 SL rated. Yeah, that's the good stuff. So that's basically all the mods I did on my bike, guys. The oil I'm running, and yeah, I've got a custom free flow exhaust as well, custom made. It's just the paint is coming off, but it's nice and loud. I'll make another clip for you guys coming soon, where there will be a bit more better sound on my GoPro, and then yeah, I'll let you guys take a listen. But yeah, thank you for tuning in, guys, and I'll check you in the next one. Yeah guys, I just wanted to add on as well, if you have any questions regarding anything I did to the bike, feel free, pop me a message. And thanks for the support. There will be a top speed run coming soon, and a nice view, and a bit more, I want to show you guys a bit more of Cape Town basically. Yeah, there's a video coming soon. Yeah, thanks for the support, guys, and I'll check you in the next one. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Cheers, bye bye.